5D. A rectangular prism box has a volume of 240 cubic centimeters. A smaller rectangular prism is removed from the larger prism. The sides of the lengths of the edges of the smaller prism are 1/2 of the lengths of the corresponding edges of the larger prism. How many cubic centimeters is the volume of the remaining solid? All right, so just talking about this weird looking shape over here. So, 1/2 of the length. I'm going to repeat that again. 1/2 of the length. What's that supposed to mean? Well, we do know. Okay, so let's first, so I'm going to first fill this shape up and pretend it was never taken away, okay? I'm just going to add that right there. So now it's not taken away, it's full. So this whole length over here, I want you to notice I'm talking about this whole length, just like this, is we can set that as x. And we'll set this as y, okay? And we'll set this height over here as z. So the smaller rectangle would just be actually 1/2 of x times 1/2 of y times 1/2 of z. And we already know up here that x, y, z all multiplied together is equal to 240. Got it? Okay, so we know that from the problem. So we can simplify this into the coefficients multiply. So 1/8 x, y, z. Wait, but we do know that x, y, z is 240, right? This is 240. So really what we're doing is 1/8 times 240, which is the same as 140 divided by 8. And the final answer is 30. So there we go, that's our answer. Or is it? Because we do know that because that's just the volume of this smaller solid here, but we're trying to find the remaining one. See how I underlined that? The remaining solid. So what do we do here? Actually, what we're supposed to do is we take the larger prism, right? And we subtract the smaller prism's volume from it. And then we'll get 210. So actually the final answer is 210 cubic centimeters.